morning, Alhaji.
Thank you.
I know you have been a strong advocate for justice and a strong critic for this President Tinubu. And being that we are now, of course, we are now in a quagmire, in a state of distress, so to say. Everywhere is a gone.
I'm laughing.
And
I'm celebrating.
what is your stake?
I'm laughing. I'm dancing.
You mean dancing at
I'm celebrating.
why Nigerians are mourning?
I told you. I told most of you here. He has nothing to offer you. Emilaka. You are running around with the cap. Where is the cap now? Only the truthful man in Yoruba land. Are you getting me? This only man who speaks the truth in Yoruba land. Where is the cap now? Where are those musicians? Where are those pastors? Where are those imams? You invite them to go and do naming ceremony. When they get there, the first thing they will tell you, Tinubu, where are they now? One thing with me is that I don't fight destiny. Do you know why? Because there is no war wrestling champion. You have never seen a war wrestling champion that has defeated destiny. So either in evil or either in good. Tinubu's destiny with evil is there. I'm not going to challenge it. Even if I say no to him, he's there. But the policy of the country, Nigerians, I keep saying it here and there and there. Why are these sectors that we kept on ground doing nothing for us? How many of us can even boast, can still remember that we have something called National Orientation Agency?
Honestly, they are not in place.
What are they supposed to be? They should be able to orientate us from the grassroots to know the policy of government. My brother, Nigerians are monkeys who are holding bread that have butter. Not being food though. Nigerians, including me, we are monkeys that hold bread with butter. Are you getting me? Not being food. You when you human being, you hold banana. We do already rotty. No be your food.
That is very strong.
Monkey is holding what is not his own food. A human being is holding what is not his own food. The only thing you can do is to give monkey that banana. And the monkey will do what? He will drop the bread.
Are you sure that the monkey will spare the bread? Even though he might not eat it.
No, you hold the bread. He's dropping the bread. The human being that holds that unrotten bread or rotten banana is giving the monkey. The monkey will do what? He will drop the bread. And what is going to happen? You are going to eat what belongs to you. And he is going to eat what belongs to him. Let me ask you. I stated it here. When Mr. President was telling you, great Nigerian youth, Bosa. Great Nigerian youth, Bosa. Nigerian youth, it is not your time, Milok. Your time is still coming. But we will carry you along in the government. Check the ministers, how many youth is among them?
Exactly.
The only youth that is there, they substituted with her dad, for her dad, who was supposed to be there, who is age. A criminal from Port Harcourt become a minister in Abuja. Immunity.
Are you referring to
Wicked? Who me I defeat? I'm referring to Wicked. He become a minister. I never know the post where they won't give Gandola. That collect money live and direct, they collect bribe live and direct. Instead of handing him over to EFCC, they hand him over to government now with what? Immunity.
Nigerians protested yesterday against the anti-people's policy. Do you think that will make any difference?
Who protested?
Nigerian Labour Congress and TUC.
Who is leading them?
Joe Ajero and the other person.
Which kind of motor in they use?
Well, I don't know.
I don't know. They are not for us.
You mean they are not for the masses?
It's a lie. It's a lie.
So which kind of motor they use?
Yes, okay, let's start a proper accountability for Nigerians. If we really want to grow in this country, let's start accountability. Have you ever put in your money? Have you ever put in your money in your shop not knowing how much you put in the shop? Are you not waiting for returns?
Of course.
What exactly either you lose or you gain? Are you not going to check it at the end of the year?
Yes.
Sorry, sir. How much does Mr. President spend to become a president? Sir,
billions.
I know. Now you talk am. Me, I don't know. Me, I don't know. Now you talk am. But you see, Father Christmas. Father Christmas, they collect money before our pikin enter go collect that thing we won't collect. Now we take buy am, no be free. They give us. Mr. President spent trillions to become president. Then tell you say na free.
So Nigerians has to pay for it because he bargained with his money.
He paid for it now.
But not all Nigerians supported him.
Till I die, I will never support him. I pray this thing go where it is going to see. I am 64. What am I waiting for? Grave. I old past Jesus. Jesus knows he's 40. God give me the grace to reach 64. If a human being can't kill me, now I will begin the fear. It's a big grace. The prophet of Islam died at the age of 63. I should be very careful because I have an account to give when I meet my God. If God can take his own prophet at less than 40 and take his prophet less than 64, and he has making me to reach 40, 64, I will come begin to fear human being. I have account to give before myself and my creator.
So what can Nigeria do now? As it stands now, Labour is demanding for 200,000 minimum wage. Why the government is borrowing to service his cabinet?
Don't tell you the reason why.
Yes. Go ahead, sir.
The 30,000 they don't get them.
Oh, some states have not paid.
Okay, I know. Wait now. Person never paid 30,000. They say they want 200,000. The 30,000 never enter. From Ogba to Agege is 300 naira. 30,000 never enter where Agege don't become 300 naira. Announcement alone say government say he won't pay 200,000. Agege could become 1,000 naira. And what can you get the money?
Exactly.
And what can never get the money? It is always on the paperwork. It is only, okay. Now look at Mr. President's speech. From the beginning to the end of this speech,
it's empty.
I no tell you say he empty. Me I no talk and say he empty. He full now, not be full paper.
Full of promises.
Did he discuss about the refinery there? That corn where you say you're gonna go to chop corn. Did he come out there? Those 50 million youths will become security men. Did he appear there? Because he's desperado. He's desperate. He wants everything, and he discovered that Nigerians doesn't want the truth. So the only thing that can make him to get there is to be able to convey Those books he's reading in his house into people. Do you know the books he's reading? The books of lies. The book of lies. And you know what liars do? Liars knows how to manipulate you. With your sense, you become a baby before them. You will dance to their tune until they want what they want. The way forward in this country, I've been saying it, this is the way forward. Until the day you know that the way you are feeling thirsty is the way I'm also feeling thirsty. Until the day you realize that the way you are feeling hungry, that is the way I'm feeling hungry. Until the day you forget Alhaji Zubairu Muhammad Taufik as a Muslim, you are seeing me as a human being created by God. And I'm not seeing you as a Christian, I'm seeing you as a human being created by God. Then I embrace you, I draw you closer to me, you come to me, you know me, I know you. Then I'll be able to know, say, this man is this like he cheat us. So we will now unify ourselves. Then we will go home in time. There is one proverb I used to say, I used to tell people, I say it in my place in Ogbomoso. I'm from Ogbomoso land. The chief imam of Ogbomoso was imposed on us under dictatorship. Are you getting me? And for those who have done that, I keep telling them one thing. I said, you can cook food, listen very well. You can cook food for 1,000 people to consume. And they are satisfied. You cook food for 1,000 people to eat, and they will tell you we are satisfied. Beware. The day these 1,000 people will get annoyed with you, they will all cook their food and bring it before you that you must eat it all. Which tummy are you going to put that 1,000 plate of food? Are you getting me?
That's a strong proverb.
Nigerians, I thank you, Nigerians, for your perseverance. But the only thing that your resilience has not been wisely used. The resilience was not wisely used. That 1 week starving of yourself that you want to do in order to get your rights, that you say you are not ready to do, your forthcoming generation will starve. Something that you fail to do now. Why this? Not the same people, the same government. Why they not in Ojota against Jonathan on fuel subsidy? Oh, you think say the tape don't finish? Me I get them for hand. They say all of us to come to Ojota. A lot of people are there. They are hungry. Though they go one side there and they eat their food, but we know that they say they are fighting for the issue of subsidy. Today, everybody now end up becoming ministers of God. They started preaching for peace. This one will preach peace. This one will preach peace. I told you people that time, and I will not stop saying it. I said, don't tell me about Tinubu. The only thing that will make me to appreciate you when you are telling me about Tinubu, show me your phone, and I see an alert, 15 to 25 million naira. Put into your account that they want you to talk about Tinubu. I say congratulations, enjoy your money, talk about it. I will not go against you. You are working for your money. But where you are going to struggle to subscribe, to talk, you still want to talk on somebody who is not putting food on your table. Look at the bosses, look at the people who have been coming here to shout about him. How many of them do you see here now? Those who are wearing cap number chain on your mandate, how many of them are singing it now?
Exactly, on your mandate we shall stand.
How many are singing it now?
All of them have started.
Even Wasiu Ayinde. Even Wasiu Ayinde. Who, if he wants shit like this, Tinubu, if he wants mess like this, even him. How many of them are singing it now? They are covering their face with shame. Are you getting me? Do I need to respect them? Do I need to sympathize with them? You see, you remember how I come into the program? I was dancing. I am celebrating because in the middle of suffering, those who stand for the truth and God with godliness, they will not suffer. I am one of them.
Thank you so much. It's been a wonderful time having you, sir. God bless you for this wonderful submission, and we hope to have you again the next subsequent edition.
Amen. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much.
I just feel like talking to you.
God bless you. I appreciate it. It's been a wonderful time. Yes, MC Grammar is here. Good morning, good morning, good morning. It's a pleasure having you here.
Yes, sir, the only man that says the truth, and the only man who hits government the way it's supposed to hit government, and the only man the government is always afraid of, and the only man everybody is always fearing to listen to.
MC Grammar, good morning.
Yes, good morning.
Welcome to this political rumbles here in Congress TV.
Thank you, my brother.
Labour Congress demands 200,000 minimum wage.
They are very stupid.
From the President Tinubu administration.
I repeat it, Labour, they are very stupid. I'm telling you, they are a disgrace to Nigerians.
You mean it's not feasible?
Yes, when I just heard
considering the economic
when I heard the call of the strike, I was angry. Do you know what it means to call up the strike? You started yesterday, and the idiot came today that you say you are calling out. You are negotiation that you've been negotiating with government. The cease you have been negotiating. Why can't you do it for 1 week? Let government feel it. People, you let government feel it. But you just did 1 day, and you said you are trying to negotiate with government. What are you negotiating? Already you know that
all these days
what we are going to negotiate is what I call paperwork talk. They will just promise and never fulfill. They are just trying to say it so that they'll calm everything down. Now, what I expected from Labour, give me 1 week at least.
Or 3 days.
Or some 3 days. 1 week, let me protest for 1 week. And let everybody see. Then, Tinubu will feel it. But now, you started yesterday. The idiots have not felt anything. Say, come, let's discuss. And you are listening to the idiots. No, they don't do things like that.
Do you consider this as a monumental defeat?
See, you are a cheap Labour chairman. I'm telling you, that's what I see as a chairman. He doesn't have something upstairs. So as a matter of fact, such a Labour chairman can be bribed. You want to tell me they give the idiot 1 billion? He will not start changing too. So what are we talking about? So I'm just surprised at Labour. They are the biggest fools. I'm telling you, my own. Everybody tells me, MC Grammar. One good thing about MC Grammar, I say the fact the way I say it. I fear nobody, and I fear no any human soul. You know why? If you talk, you go die. If you no talk, you go die. Come on, let us all talk and die. So what are we talking about?
And do you agree that Nigerians should subscribe to that backing down at this time, or should Nigeria resort to the
Nigeria to continue? At least let's do it for 1 week. Let Tinubu, the way he suffered out of fuel subsidy, suffer Tinubu again. Kilo Shan with NSC. The way he suffered out of fuel subsidy, suffering for 1 week. Is 1 week too much? Hey, sometimes these people just be doing something like illiterate, and yet they say they are literate. I don't understand. These guys have been suffering us all this while. Let us suffer in two for 1 week. I mean, there's no crime in it. But yeah, you just did 1 day. They say you are going to negotiate. Negotiation, you be negotiating with government, and you are unable to reach an agreement. Now, you did 1 day, they called you, and say you are going to negotiate with government. Is that not stupidity on your own part?
Can they trust government to keep their
Have you ever
promises?
seen government that keep any promises?
That is the fundamental issue
Government
here.
have never kept any promises. In as long as Nigerian government, we don't keep to promises. That's the problem. And I expect this NLC president, the chairman, to know that the government doesn't keep to their promise. At least trust them, so that after 1 week, when they are coming to negotiate, they are serious. This one, it's just the 1 day. You say you want to see glory book.
They say that Niger nightmare can destroy democracy in Nigeria. With the coup in Niger State, don't you think that it will affect Nigerians?
Everybody, I keep hearing everybody saying that the coup in Niger Republic will affect. That is a lie. We don't have the hearts. Please, let's get something straight here. We don't have the hearts. Who in Nigeria is going to overthrow Tinubu? Which military is going to overthrow Tinubu? Who can do it? We don't have the hearts. So what we are good at doing in Nigeria is noise making. Go to social media, make all the whole noise. Just like when Nigerians are good when they see that, we will deal with this person. Tell them to come out to protest. How many people we see? So this is not the first time we shouting. The other one is just, I don't think anything in the Niger Republic will affect Nigeria because we don't have the hearts. So that's the truth. Everybody knows me very well that I like saying things the way it is. So we don't have the hearts. And let's forget that.
Away from that, Simon Ekpa has cautioned the Ohanes and the Igbos, the governor of Imo State, that they should stay clear his way as far as Biafran agitation and restoration is concerned. That if they dare him, they will see the other part of him which might not be palatable. He is not Nnamdi Kanu, who is so soft. What do you say about that?
On the part of Samuel Ekpa, it's good. When you have a leader who is active. I love that of Samuel Ekpa. I love Ekpa's spirit. I love action person. I love how with someone like Ekpa would have been an NLC president. The thing was sweet. You understand? It would have been sweet. Because I love people like that with a great heart, with a big heart, and a man that says words and stands on that word. That's how it should be. So I love that spirit anyway. But I want to say this. I think Ekpa should question himself. We Igbos are destroying ourselves. Sit at home, you're affecting yourself. You're not affecting government. That is one thing somebody needs to educate Ekpa. Even if you want to protest, you don't use the people's business to protest. So to some extent, Ekpa, I've always supported you, but this one I think you're not getting.
Don't you think it's better than going to the streets and being killed at will by the security operative than ordering your own people to stay at home as a way of civil disobedience?
Nobody's killing you. I don't like that order. You understand? There are ways you can protest the government. I've said this. If Samuel Ekpa knows he has weight.
Sit at home is one of those ways.
Yes, if Samuel Ekpa knows that he has big influence on the Igbos, why don't you command Igbos nationwide? Let us try for a week. That's what I'm going to expect, not Igbos. All the old Igbo, Kaduna, Sokoto, everywhere, Jigawa, everywhere. Stay 1 week at home. That is how we get message across to the Nigerian government. Not my own daily news to sit at home in the East. That don't work. If you are done in nationwide, I keep saying this, I would have preferred nationwide. But you saying sit at home in the East, to me it's not working. Because the government doesn't care about you. You people, the government don't care about you before. So you sitting at home, you not go to your business. Whose concern is that? And let me tell you,
the economy is biting hard. Even no part of the country is safe.
After 1 week, we're going to 2 weeks. After 2 weeks, we're going to 1 month. So it's just the starting. So let's see what's going to happen. That's the truth.
Thank you so much. It's been a wonderful time having you.
I do MC for any kind of event. And please, if you want to have me as your MC or comedian for any kind of event, you can easily reach out to me on this number 090-5783-4787. I repeat again, 090-5783-4787. My name is MC Grama. You want a fundraising event, I will do that for you. Thank you very much. God bless you.
Thank you so much, MC Grama. You could also patronize MC Grama. Please don't hesitate to hit the subscription button. I believe you must have enjoyed your moments here in Kowe TV. I remain the host anchor Chigozie Ndibo, wishing you all the best today and beyond. Remain safe and keep, of course, advancing the cause of humanity. Thank you once again. Until the next edition. Bye.